The footballer kicked the football with his right foot. The woman kicked the hamburger. The woman kicked the punching bag with her left foot. The footballer kicked the football with his left foot. The boss kicked the employee's butt. The boy kicked the ball about in the park. The American football player kicked the American football. The rugby player kicked the rugby ball through the posts. The female boxer with boxing gloves on kicked the cigarette. The boy and the girl kicked the ball to each other. The brown horse kicked its hind legs. The man with a briefcase and an umbrella jumped and kicked his heels. The man kicked the flat tire with his foot. The little man kicked the big man's leg. The businessman kicked his foot through the wall. The woman kicked the yellow leaves in the park. The footballer kicked the ball towards the goal. The businessman kicked the boxes up into the air. The baby kicked in the woman's belly. The man kicked away all his bad habits. The boy kicked the ball from the penalty spot. The boy kicked the water in the swimming pool. The man on the left kicked the other man off the cliff. The people kicked the ball about the beach. The woman kicked a bar of chocolate.